Not needed at all. Just the eyeball movements related with our balance systems, and also it also connect our brain here because for example, like a horizontal gaze is quick eyeball movement, horizontal movements. For example, this eyeball movements to the left very quickly. For example, when the thunder hits, thunder lightning hits, our eyeball move automatically to the left side. For example, the left side thunder lightning hit on our left side, eyeball move quickly to the left automatically, unconsciously. That is initiated the opposite side of cerebral cortex here. So you just remember as a brain, cerebral cortex actually, but here. And then it goes down, so lateral rectus. Our eyeball moves to sideways, and at the same time it moves via medial longitudinal fasciculus, what we call MLF. That's interneuron. Via MLF goes up to the cranial node 3. Cranial node 3 is located at the midbrain. Cranial node 3 is activate our cranial node 3 muscles. That is medial rectus. So the reason why our eyeball move quickly, very quickly, at the same time, the same speed, and the same direction to move to the left. It's very important. So we can apply that in the exercises. Just like this here. You can move very quickly. You can do it. Quick to the right here and left. And then broaden like this, quick, right and left. It activates our brain board. Because of the, as told before, initiated our brain here. So we are move the target object here, and then move like this, right and left, and then a little broaden here, right and left, like this, okay? So that is activates our brain here also. And also our total neural pathway, like this here. The cranial nerve is also activated. But the problem is, only once, but that is nerve integration. But one side of eyeball is moved, the other side is stopped. That is problem, because it would be cranial node 3 problem. This eyeball is not moved, and only one side of the eyeball is moved. There is a problem. Okay? The eyeball is part of the brain, so we're looking through the eyeball. We can see the brain conditions also. Because some people cannot follow the object like this. There is slow movements. But some of the problems are this pathway, one side of the eyeball or other side of the eyeball not moved properly. One side of the eyeball is stuck, and only other side of the eyeball is to move. So, and then there is a very quick eyeball movement, slow eyeball movements. We call it pursue, but pursue is the same pathway, but same brain is initiated. The quick eyeball movement is opposite side, but same. So to this one, you can also do the exercise for eyeball movement like this. Okay, you can do it. You can do it regular. You can do that, just like this here. Yeah, you do that. And up and down, and down like this. Yeah, and just follow your thumb.
So it's beneficial for...
Exactly, very beneficial. Because eyeball movements is very close relationship together, vestibular, and also cerebellum. Very close relationship. So eyeball is stimulate cerebellum and vestibular, and also the brain, It's very, very great one. Very good. Just like this here. Up and down. And then also same.